The new Genesis X Convertible completes the X Concept trilogy and shares its architecture and electric powertrain with the X Concept and X Speedium Coupe concept. It has a folding hardtop roof that integrates transparent moon roofs above the front occupants to provide an open feel even when closed. The interior of the X Convertible concept features a driver-centric 4-seat asymmetric layout. Its wraparound instrument panel seamlessly integrates with the center console and cocoons the driver cockpit.